Hi guys, welcome back to Renpet Bath Beauty. I still have to get gloves on and everything, but Ava is here with me.
Hi.
I am making a soap. I gotta plug my stick blender in. I forgot to do that. I'm making a soap that's a remake for me, but it is a new one for you. It is inspired by the song Hold Me Now by the Thompson Twins. And it is one of our best summer scents. It is scented in Hawaiian Ginger. And I'm going to pause you guys for a second and get Ava's gloves on and get my gloves on and all of that. So we will be right back. Okay, I just got to put my gloves on now. Ava gets her fingers stuck just like everybody else does.
Yeah, because I'm so little.
Yeah, the gloves are way too big for you, but you have to be safe, right? Okay, this is my Hawthorne recipe. So in my bucket, I have my yogurt and my heavy cream. And I think I have too much spatulas. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, I have one too many spatulas. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and mix this in and mix the lye water in. And then we'll go over the colors. No, you cannot mix this part, but when we mix the fragrance in, I'll let you mix it, okay?
And the color?
No, not the color. Well, we'll see. We'll see, okay? Oh, you know what? Haha, I gotta put the lye in there, right? That would be helpful. This part you definitely can't mix, okay?
And the next part?
Because the lye...
It's hot.
Yes. It can burn you. So Mimi's gonna do this part. I'm gonna get it to
and
just about emulsification.
I'm holding this because I'm your...
Because you're my helper?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so let's get this mixed up. Ooh.
That hurts my eyes.
Okay, yeah. When I use Judy, my photography light flashes. She's pretty powerful. She's the... my photography light is the reason you guys always have bad lighting when I'm making something with my my KitchenAid. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. This is just about emulsified, and we are going to pour some soap into 3 cups. We are going to use purple. We are going to use coral. And we are going to use turquoise. And the base is going to be white. So, let me get this down. Can you see? Yeah, you guys can sort of see there. I know Ava's making a shadow for you. However, let me put my white in here first. Let me stir it up here. I'm hoping I didn't add too much water, because that would be bad.
Yeah.
Do you know what happens when you add too much water to your titanium dioxide?
No.
You get what's called glycerin rivers.
Oh.
Yeah. Gosh, I can smell that fragrance. It smells so good. Okay, so the turquoise, this one is almost empty, so...
This one?
Yeah, I mean, there's like hardly anything in there.
I can't do the color because it has lye in it.
Well, you can put the color in there, but look, I gotta take the lid off of
Oh,
this.
because that's the new
It's
one?
brand new, yeah.
I was like, when did you get that color?
A while ago.
Like, I thought you meant yesterday.
No.
Like 2 years ago?
No, it's been sooner than that. What are you laughing about? I'm gonna throw this away.
2 years ago.
All together now. We were singing that earlier. All together now.
All together now. Can I?
Yeah, my grandkids love the Beatles, so.
All together now.
And
We
then
watch that every Friday.
Yeah.
On my Mimi's weekend.
That's right, you do. Well, almost every Friday anyway.
Yeah, almost. Sometimes when we go there on her Fridays, when it's my birthday, when I'm turning 7, it's where we're gonna supposed to be on a beach.
Oh, you're going to go to Stony Creek, you think?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Can
I'm
you
going to go
come?
ahead. I don't know. We'll see. I'm going to go ahead and stick blend everything, and we will be back.
And you put white in that one.
Yep, and then I went to
Pink.
the coral, and then I went to the purple, and then I went to the turquoise.
I remember when we had to wear aprons.
Yeah, when I had you wear an apron, that was when we were making the hot process, so.
This is kind of it, but
Yep.
it's not really.
Okay, so this is what we're going to do, because we have bubbles.
Can we smack it?
No, we don't have to do that yet. We'll do that when we put it into the mold. Okay, so we're going to put the fragrance in. Okay. Now, this is what if you want to stir in the fragrance, you have to be very, very careful like that. Okay? This fragrance does slow down trace. Can you guys see? Let me take you out just a little bit because you guys can't really see. I'm sorry about that.
This one's gone.
Okay. So let's put this back, and you can do the purple, and I'll do the well, technically it's supposed to be coral. It does turn to a coral color. It looks less pink when it's actually, you know, gone through saponification. Okay, I'm gonna move.
I like the smell.
Yeah, it smells good. Did you mix it in really good? Because I need to move this. Watch out. Go ahead, you're fine. Woo! See, I told you it makes it flash, and I didn't even touch anything. Here.
Oh, you go this way. And
Yeah,
that
okay, so I'm going to take all the spatulas out because we're going to
Can I
do
help
a...
you?
No, I don't want you to burn yourself.
Oh, yeah. I have
Because
to.
we're going to do a drop swirl.
Drop swirl.
Yep, drop swirl.
Can I help you?
Yes, you can. Let's move the camera down just a little bit.
I can, like, smack you. I'll tell you if it's too much.
Okay,
How's
so
that?
this is what I'm going to do. We're going to pour some white in here first, okay?
The base.
Yep, the base. Very good. My future soaper over here. Okay, now I'm going to show you what to do. I'm going to show you what to do, and then you can do the purple, okay?
And the pink.
Okay, so you do like this. You go a little bit higher, and then you go like that, okay? And we're going to pour pretty much everything in there, except for what's left in the cup. Okay, you do the purple.
And pink.
Yep. You got to hold it up higher. We need purple over here, baby. There you go. There you go. Pour it all out. Get some more out. There you go. Until it doesn't come out very easy. There you go.
Now pink.
Yeah, and now the pink. I'm going to move this just a little bit towards her. So you got to get it all the way to this side, okay? Up higher. Oh, that's okay. Don't worry about it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it drops.
Okay. All right. Very good, Ava.
What does it feel in the gloves?
What does it feel like in the gloves? It just feels like liquid.
Oh, my. You made that before.
I did make this
In
before.
the soap room, I saw it.
Yeah, it's in the soap room. We got one bar left.
We need another box.
We need another loaf. And the other soap I'm going to make,
Are you gonna
you've
try-
seen that one before too.
Are you when it dries the next time when we do this and it's all better now and we can chop it?
Yes, once it's saponified, we're going to cut
If
it.
it's like saponified until we are done.
Yeah, we have to wait 18 to 24 hours before we can unmold it. But, you know, Mimi puts it in the freezer, so...
So you're going to help me with that one and I...
excuse me. Yep, and we're going to put the colors on the top.
And then it keeps going? Oh,
Yep.
this one's
And I will let you swirl the top. How's that?
Okay. The papa... You do the papa...
No, I'm going to do it all because I got to scrape it. Okay?
How about
I'm
the
sorry,
swirl
but...
top?
What?
This,
You're going to do the swirl on the top.
this is the top.
I know, but I'm going to let you swirl it.
Oh, like the mixes?
No, yeah, like with a chopstick or one of those sticks, whatever.
These sticks.
Yeah, you want to use one of those?
Let me grab one.
Okay, you grab one. Let me put the pink, the coral on there, and then I'm gonna bang it, and then you can do your magic, my love. You want to put glitter on it?
No.
Oh, yeah, we don't have to do that
I
yet.
want to put glitter on it too.
You can,
I want to put this on.
you want to put glitter on it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it has glitter on it. See, she even knows it has glitter on it. She, as soon as I started making it, she knew what soap it was. That's so funny. Okay.
It's gonna
Well,
be
we can't put glitter on it yet. Let me clean it up first.
Not right now?
Yeah, not right this second. We gotta do a design on the top first.
Oh, yeah.
And then we put glitter on it.
Oh, I have
Hold on.
to swirl it.
Let me bang it.
This is gonna be... Can I... Wait, do I have to mix this?
Yep, you can swirl it. Now, when you...
I want a chopstick.
You want a chopstick?
Whoa, that's
Okay.
gold?
It's silver. Oh, no, no! Let's do like this.
Oh, yeah, yay.
Can you do that?
Yeah.
And now go backwards. There you go. You got it.
It kind of looks like something very good. It
Yeah.
looks like a different kind of rainbow.
It does kind of, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, glitter away.
Not too
Glit-
much.
Glitter away.
Oh.
It's okay. This one's got a lot of glitter on it. Let me put the glitter where you didn't put it. And then
Let's.
you can
wait till-
alcohol it. Okay?
Okay.
Go ahead. You alcohol it. Hold it back some more. Yep, there you go.
Why do you have the alcohol?
Because we don't want to get soda ash. You know how sometimes Mimi's, well, recently, most of Mimi's soaps have like a weird look on the top. And I have to take off that weird top.
I need more in that.
Yeah, I know. I got to put more in it. Okay, guys. So in 18 to 24 hours, Ava and I will cut this. And I'm going to wait.
Yeah, that's
I'm going to wait.
tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm going to, well, not tomorrow. We'll do it on Friday.
Yeah, because
After, when you get here after school.
Because
I'll freeze it Friday and then in the morning. And then we'll unmold it. I'll let you unmold it all by yourself this time because you didn't get to unmold the other one all by yourself last time.
Yeah, last time I got a little trouble and Mimi had
Yeah,
to
that's all right. You'll be fine because this one will be frozen. Yeah, Mimi's going to cut it while it's frozen. Okay, so anyway, yes, 18 to 24 hours. We will see you then. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hi, guys. We are back to cut Hold Me Now, but
It's too much glitter.
it doesn't have too much glitter. However, I need to take my potato peeler to the edges of this because there's lots of stuff right there. Okay. I'm probably going to have to do that with next week's soap too. Okay, here we go, Ava. Remember, you helped me make this soap.
Can I help you?
You know you
one
cannot.
slice?
You cannot help me cut it. Sorry. Wah. When you get bigger, you'll be able to help cut.
How about when I am 18?
Well, You don't have to be 18 when you get just a little bit bigger. That's all. You ready?
How about 7?
You ready?
Yeah.
You want to see the piece?
Yeah.
There's one side, and here's the other side.
It kind of looks like the unicorn one. Oh, I can take this out.
No, it has to cure.
Can I smell it?
Yeah, that's what I gave it to you for, so you could look at it and smell it.
They can see the glitter.
Do you remember this, do you remember this song? What this song is?
Hold me now.
Yeah. Oh, warm my heart. You know that song, don't you? Your mom loves this song.
All together now.
Why are we still on the Beatles? Because we just cut Lucy in the Sky with Diamonds?
I don't know.
You don't know? This looks so much different than the original version of this soap. I'm so pleased.
Because I
I'm
put
not
a little
sure
glitter
what-
on it.
I'm not sure what happened. Maybe it was because I soaped at a cooler temperature than I did last time. That this definitely is much more of what I wanted from the original version. Because this is only the second time I've made this soap.
Can we make a soap?
What do you mean, tonight? No.
No, like on your weekend.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Can we make
I have a summer soap coming out pretty soon that you're just going to laugh.
what? Tell me.
It's a summer soap called Who Let the Dogs Out?
Whoa. I know that song. I got
Yeah, I have the fragrance right here. You want to smell it? Hold on one second, guys. Sorry. That's what it's going to smell like. Mmm.
Wait, what's that?
Don't, it's the cap. It's like the...
That's
that was my stomach.
and mine.
Yeah. So, yeah, I'll be making that pretty soon. I have the oils mixed and everything for it. I just haven't... I haven't figured out exactly how I'm going to work that soap. That one's going to be interesting to make. And it's going to be a little bit more complicated because I'm putting embeds on the soap. Like after I cut it, I'll put embeds on the soap. Oh, that's why there's not so much purple on the one side. Because you didn't pour the purple all the way across.
Oopsie.
Oh, no, you're fine. It looks beautiful.
Yeah.
I just couldn't figure out where the heck the purple was until just now.
Because you shave a little bit on the side.
Well, I had to move you a little bit so you would actually pour 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. We need one more.
Mama.
I'm actually going to have a nice end piece here. So if you want, after this is cured, you can have this.
Ooh.
Okay? And there it is.
Lucy in the Sky with Diamonds.
No, this is Hold Me Now. All right. Thanks, guys, for sticking with us as always. And we will see you, Ava and I are going to see you in just a second. But for you, it's going to be a week cutting our next soap.
Just you and
Bye-bye.
her.